First, you're going to want to head over to Gemini in your browser. Go ahead and prompt Gemini with whatever image you'd like to generate. Wait for it to finish. Once it's done, download the generated image to your computer. Next, head over to the URL shown on the screen or click the link in the description. Upload the image you just generated. You'll see a yellow remove button appear at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click it. Your image should now be watermark-free and ready for whatever you want to use it for. I hope you all have a great day, and I hope this saves some of you some time. If you guys have any questions or need further guidance, just let me know in the comments below. Have a good one, and goodbye. I'll go ahead and show the process one more time. Am I trying to just make the video longer? Maybe, but who is going to stop me?